load today. We'd be sitting in nearly 10 tonne, still a bit more to play with. So full of food, full of drink, full of fuel for the car, full of fuel for the boat. What else have we got? Most importantly, water. 550 litres in this big girl. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw the GoPro under her today because we know this track, and hopefully that'll show you just what the Teco Tough Ride airbag suspension looks like when it's being put through the test with this thing weighing at nearly 4.4 tonnes today, fully loaded. So we are going, putting the tyres down, which means we're going somewhere exciting. We're going to one of our most favourite camps in Australia. Are we going to tell them where it is?
No, not yet.
All right. So wait up and we'll show you where we're going.
Give it to me like.
Sunken Sand Lounge fire pit is a bit of a rite of passage in WA, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, I'm upgrading it up here.
Bag bowl in the camp oven. Are you ready?
How about tomorrow morning?
The suspense.
Can't rush these things.
I'm burning myself. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
And look at that. That is our camp oven spaghetti bowl. It is seriously so good.
Coffee coming up. Another beautiful day ahead here at Smitty. Just going to get out on the boat, go for a bit of a fish. Get the casting net out, see if we can get some live bait. Coffee for my wifey. Cracker in the morning.
Beautiful day. We try to get out and go for a walk or do some exercise, preferably without the kids if we can in the morning.
On majority of days. It's just the best way to start a day.
Something about the Kimberley, the water, the red cliffs. Check this out. He's puffing, he tried to go for a run.
Tried? Didn't try, I succeeded. So today if I get some Mackie, no, it might be coming out of the freezer. We'll show you this awesome dish that we got shown by some other people. It is, oh, beautiful. Show you tonight. So as promised, we are showing you this amazing fish dish. We have a celebrity guest this evening, Trish, who taught us this Donna Hay inspired recipe.
It is.
So what we have is a baking tray, lemon zest. How many garlic are we putting in this big tray, do we think?
I will put another probably 3.
So
that's
maybe
1, 2, 3,
5,
4. Yeah, they're quite large too.
Like everyone loves a bit of garlic.
Yes, perfect. See how that tiny bit's white? We don't want that. We just want we want it to keep yellow, but that's perfect.
Why do you
Keep going.
eat that stuff?
So it gives it a zest.
A really good flavour of lemon.
I love this mini grater.
Marley's in love with the mini grater. Half a lemon juice,
Oh,
and
into
then
the
you want
hand.
to
She's got lots of techniques.
don't get all the pips. Punnet of cherry tomatoes. I'm actually going to do times 2.
Well then,
Marley's going to throw those in. Thank you, sweetheart. I don't actually know how many I throw
What have we
in.
got there?
I love them. So
Capers.
I reckon maybe 2 tablespoons, I'm going to say. So we're feeding 2 families tonight. So I would halve this if I was at home cooking it.
Drizzle of olive oil.
And I'll do some salt and pepper
20
too
minutes.
before that goes in.
Ooh, okay, seasoning first.
Yeah.
20 minutes. The pepper because once it opened on me.
So after it's seasoned, we're going to throw it in the Weber at about 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Are you going to show us what it looks like? Oh, look at that.
I know, what's the boss think?
Good. Okay, so we just literally place the fish on top of the tomatoes and garlic and capers.
Look at that.
And we shut the lid and we cook them for another 20 minutes. Smell.
Oh, halfway.
Can you smell it?
10 minutes to go.
Stand here.
Can you smell that in the camera? Down the camera?
Have a look at this.
This is actually, hey, go get anything done. What our van looks like most mornings. So we're super lucky to be in the Kimberley to see the whales migrating. So every day, what are you doing, brushing your teeth? Every day we have seen so many whales that we stick the drone up for. So I'll stick some footage in here, give you a little blurb about why the whales are migrating and what they're doing. That was one of the most breathtaking things I have seen. A humpback playing with dolphins. It was seriously, I'm like almost shaking. It was so cool. Also, just a bit of knowledge. There's a problem at the moment where whales keep getting entangled. Up here it's on the purling ropes, but I just saw in Queensland a humpback was dragging along a shark net as well. Now, we threw up the drone the other day and got some footage of a whale that had an entanglement around its tail, ropes, buoys, you could see it all hanging off. So we at first didn't know what to do, but we reported it to the local WA parks and they were super stoked because they'd seen sightings and they were looking for these whales because they do actually rescue them and untangle them. So if you ever see a whale or something like that that you think is entangled, contact your local parks department and send them the footage, and then they can use it to try to track the animals and save them. Cool. We have an absolutely spectacular day outside. Owen's gone out on the boat for an hour or so, super early while the wind is down. We are up super early though in the mornings as well. So for us, we kind of get up, have a coffee, we can have their schoolwork done before even 8 o'clock. As you can see, he's super excited. But if we can have our schoolwork done first thing in the morning, work out, and then you've got the rest of the day to enjoy.
Right, just out here at Smitty's. Cracker of the morning. Not quite a glass out, but almost. Just going to do a bit of trolling this morning for a couple of hours and head out to a favourite little spot with some good bombies. See how we go. Today's the day. Have a look at this for a cracker.
What are you doing?
I'm just pinching your shirt to clean my sunnies. These tonics are the best thing. They're almost as good as that aircon.
Do you not have a shirt that you can clean your sunnies with?
Oh, cotton's better, and generally someone else's shirt's better than my shirt.
This is true love. big long drive back up. Ready? There we are there. Righty. So do you think they're going to catch me some dinner or not?
So I'm just going to throw in pictures of some of the fish we caught. There was so many. It was awesome. It was off its head.
Look at this huge rock canyon. Dad's on the popper! On the popper! What's he got? Oh!
I better get...
This thing's big! Holy!
He's turning the boat around.
He's pulling us! We are getting pulled by him. Should I reel my rod in and chase him? Oh, look at the rod! Listen to the reel! Oh yes, we're gaining on him. We're getting pulled to the moon.
Look at the rod.
Look at this. Look at the rod. Look at the rod. Oh!
Second cast every time.
On the popper, second cast. Had one on before, but too light of a rod. We couldn't keep it on. Oh, look at all the fish.
Oh no.
But when you
They're
cast,
mackie.
when you cast the popper,
No, what do you reckon they are?
look at this thing. Oh, it's just swimming in its school and pulling us along. They're fun catching.
Yo!
Right, so sadly we're leaving Smitty's. So Smitty's is located about 140 k's north of Broome, and then once you turn onto the dirt road, you've probably got another 35 to 40 k's until you get to Smithy's, which takes about 45 minutes. Let your tyres down a little bit, but otherwise get to that place and enjoy. It's a cracker.
Okay, this here has been an absolute lifesaver for our beach camping. This is the Gusto air blower. So working with air power plus this super duper brush head, let us show you what it does. Okay, quick switch on and look at Okay, so that's a wrap of our Smitty's adventures. How many days or lap were we there?
15, 16?
16 days, I think, with a little break in the middle. So yeah, it is, I would call it one of our favourite campsites in Australia.
Definitely. It's hard to top.
It's pretty hard to be leaving there today, isn't it?
Beach is sensational, the fishing, the weather, it's everything. We've been eating like kings on fresh fish. With that much fish in the freezer now, and fresh fish sitting in the fridge still.
So much fish.
Lots of fish, and so many different species of great fish.
But yeah, definitely somewhere we recommend checking out. And we hope you enjoyed our little Smithy's adventure that we've shared with you all.
See us.
But one last
funny.
place that we forgot to mention to visit when you're on the Dampier Peninsula.
Lombardina.
It's a cracker of a spot. If you don't camp there, which you can pay $10 to access the beach.
Gives you like only a 300 or 400 metre strip, but the bay there is just gorgeous. White sand. It's a bit like Ningaloo, the colour of the water. It's sensational.
Right, so we'll throw in some pictures so you know what to look forward to.